a wobbly camera, a video on some mashed swede. So I've got a Burns night to do, so it's Tatties and Neeps. He's a Neeps, although we call them Swedes. Anyway, so it's a while since I've done this, so I kind of need to work out how much Swede Neeps to give per portion. So these are already cooked. There was 250 grams before cooking. That's the weight once they've been peeled. So 250 grams, and after cooking, I've just weighed them again, and there is 225 grams. So we've lost 25 grams worth of liquid. So give them a squish, and then we'll be able to see what kind of portion size we're going to give. I reckon probably about half that. They're quite fresh at these sweets. They're alternates, whatever you want to call them. They've only really just come out of the ground. They were very tough to cut. Anyway, so I haven't got my portioner which I'm going to use. We're going to use this one, which is it's not an ice cream scoop. It's not an ice cream scoop. It's a portioner. So now we got a. Does it say what? It should say somewhere on it what size it is, but it's. Oh no! Here we go. Here we go. It's down in there. I can't read that. I can't read that, but we'll see. We'll see how many of these we get and what kind of portions we're going to get. I think that's about right for a portion. So that's about right. So we'll get 2 portions out of 250 grams. So for every kilo, we'll get 8 portions per kilo. So however many kilos I've got times by 8, well, divide the number of people by 8, and that's how many kilos of swede that we need. I haven't seasoned it, I haven't put any pepper in, which I normally would do. It would be salt, a little bit of sugar depending on the taste of it. Yeah, a little bit of sugar, and then black pepper, fresh ground black pepper, and then butter. So you kind of got to take in the consideration of the butter. It'll be actually bulk out the swedes, turnips more. So, but not by much. Not by much. Not by much. So per kilo we get 8 portions of that size, and that's a good sized portion, I think. But there we go. Is that a success? Well, yeah, because I found out what I need to do. I need to now buy some more turnip struck swedes, but there we go.